Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a full backup and switching to a working copy so you never touch the original. Next, identify the file type by inspecting the magic bytes with a hex editor or the file utility. This tells you what header you need. Once done, locate a known good sample of the same format and prepare tools: a hex editor, a checksum or CRC utility, and a simple text or binary converter so you can compare fields. Now you repair the damaged header step by step. Open the good sample and your corrupt file side by side, then copy only the header and metadata fields. Do not paste over data region offsets that point to content locations. After replacing the header bytes, use the checksum or CRC utility to recalculate integrity values and write them into the appropriate header offsets. This fixes format validation. Make sure to finish by validating the repaired file. Run the file identification tool and any format-specific validator, then try opening it in the intended application and export a fresh copy. If it opens and you can save or convert, you've completed the repair. If something goes wrong, stop and restore the backup, then repeat using a different good sample or check for truncated data. One key troubleshooting tip: if the validator still fails, compare byte by byte to find a mismatched offset before making further edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.